Hi everyone, very good morning. I hope you're all ready for the session today. It's day 8. We are going to practice a little bit of a pranayama and we're going to focus more on the meditation today. Okay? Before you start, try to do a little bit of a stretches for the back, basic. Also add some more stretches for the shoulders as well as your neck. Assuming that you're all ready with all the warm up and done, let's begin our session. Sit comfortably in Vajrasana or Sukhasana. Both the hands should be in Chin Mudra. When you're keeping your hands down, relaxed. For the pranayama, when you use your hand, that's okay. Otherwise, keep your hand throughout in Chin Mudra. Alright. Before we start, just close your eyes. 2 to 3 times, take a deep breathe in, breathe out. It will help you mentally and physically to get back to present. Inhale, exhale, inhale, and exhale. One more time, inhale, exhale, now normal breathing. Let's do counting breathing. 4 is to 4 is to 6. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Long inhale and long exhale. Stay here, just observe the way you breathe in, breathe out. Long breathe in. Long breathe out. Do this 5 times. 1. Exhale. 2. Exhale. 3. Exhale. 4. Exhale. 5. Exhale. 6. Exhale. 7. Exhale. Now get back to your normal breathing. Keep your back straight, shoulders relaxed. Nadi Shodhana Pranayama. Close your right nostril. Inhale from the left side. Hold your breath. Exhale from the right. Very slow breathing, very slow breathe out. Inhale from the right. Hold your breath. Exhale from the left. Do this couple of times on your own, but hold your breath every time you inhale. It's very important to breathe very slowly and be aware of what's happening. You should know exactly how much you're breathing in, how much you're holding, how much you're breathing out. Do not let your mind wander around. Slowly, after exhaling at your right side, drop your hand down into Chin Mudra. Now take your awareness to the sitting posture, eyes closed. Just mentally take the instructions and follow as it is. Take your awareness to the sitting posture. Just see if you're sitting in Vajrasana, how do you feel? Sukhasana, how do you feel? Now slowly bring your attention to the chest and stomach. Try to understand and see how is your chest and stomach moving along with the breath. What is your lungs flexibility? Now slowly bring your attention to the nostril. Observe the temperature change when you breathe in and breathe out. When you breathe out, mostly it is warm. Just observe the difference. Slowly bring your awareness to pure breathing. Your mind can concentrate on your breath. Now your entire focus is only on your breath. Your mind would get lot of thoughts. That's okay. Slowly and eventually divert your mind towards your breathing so that it is focused on one thing at a time. Now slowly be aware of your both the hands and release Chin Mudra. Get your both the palm together into Namaskara Mudra. Rub your both the palm, make it warm. Drop it on your eyes and face. Slowly open your eyes and look into your palm. Thank you. I hope you're feeling better and calm. If you enjoy practicing with me, don't forget to like the video. I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you so much.